But the stock on our radar has to be HCLTech, seen its biggest fall in over 10 years after reporting their third quarter numbers yesterday. Reema joins in to give us the highlights on the results, what brokerages are saying, and what's causing the stock to fall 9%.
Well, you know, what's causing the stock to fall is the positioning that investors went into going into HCLTech's numbers. Last year, HCLTech rallied 30%, while its peers say TCS was up only about 9%. HCLTech's PE re-rated by 20%, and by the end of it, HCLTech was actually trading at a premium to TCS and Infosys. So that's the reason why it went in with very high expectations, and the numbers failed to meet that. So the numbers in Q3 were a miss on the company's top line. The revenue growth was at 3.8%, lower than consensus expectations of 4.1%. Margins were in line, so no beat over there. Q4 guidance, the implied guidance on the top line, because the company has held on to its, given the tweaks to the full year revenue guidance, the Q4 implied guidance is minus 1.3 to plus 0.6%. So no acceleration seen in Q4 growth. The company also said that Q4 margins will be slightly lower than Q3 margin. Also remember, the company has a lower exposure to BFS, banking and financial services vertical, which is where we've seen the maximum pickup in discretionary spending. Brokerages, now Kotak has cut the FY25 to FY27 dollar revenue estimates by 1 to 4%. They say the stock trades at full valuations. They've got a reduced call. CLSA, Jefferies and Morgan Stanley, all of them have an equal weight or a hold call, again on the back of the re-rating that we've seen and the valuations HCLTech is trading at. Nomura, though, is still bullish, buy call with a target price of 2,000 rupees. So in a nutshell, the numbers failed to excite the street. There were a few misses in terms of the fact that the company didn't raise the upper end of the revenue guidance. Q3 was a miss on the top line, and plus full valuations and the recent run-up in the stock and outperformance. All these are reasons why the stock is under severe pressure today.
Okay, all right. Reema, thanks a lot for breaking that up for us. And early this morning, Reema was one of the first few who said that expect HCLTech to open up in the red. So kudos to you on that one as well.